Welcome back to the shop, everyone. It's been a little while again. I've got some good excuses though. So I think I said that we were getting some house stuff done. We got all new siding and a new deck put on the house. And I'll show a picture of what the deck and the house looked like before. And as you can see, it looks pretty trashy. So it was way overdue for all that stuff needing to be done. So I'll give you a little peek of what it looks like now. So we got a new deck, and we got new siding and a new roof, and we got a new fence, which is really nice. So anyway, this is our new deck. I'll give you a shot from up here too, just so you guys can see. I don't know if you care or not, but I'm taking you up here. This deck is about 4 feet deeper than the other one was, and we did a little tiered spot down here for the fire table. You can see I designed these nice big beefy brackets, triple 2x10 beam going across here, so yeah, this thing will outlive all of us anyway. And my wife has done such a spectacular job on the backyard, getting it all fixed up and landscaped and everything, so it's looking pretty good until you get to my side. My side looks a little trashy, so anyway, it doesn't look too bad, and I'm cleaning it up. I'm actually gonna underneath the trailer, between the driveway and the fence, underneath that trailer, I'm going to be finishing that concrete strip over there. It's like 5x20 or 5x25 or something, so then I'll be able to park stuff closer to the fence. And anyway, that's going to get done at some point. We just set a record temperature on June 3rd, which was a few days ago, for June 3rd in Idaho. It was 103 degrees, which is kind of warm. Our air conditioning broke about 5 days before that. So we are without AC right now, and we're just putting a whole new unit in, because the unit that's in there was installed in the 90s, so it's well past its end of life. So that's going to be installed hopefully on by the 16th. He said he's going to try and get us in sooner, but that's like another almost 2 weeks. So anyway, it's a little sweaty in the house right now. So enough of the house stuff. Let's talk about this thing. I haven't done hardly anything since the last video. I ran wires for these marker lights on the front, and I glued in angle there and an angle down below underneath here on an exposed edge. That's it, because that's been taking up time. Work's been taking up time. I've started a new little side business / venture with some remote control car stuff, so been doing been pretty busy. But anyway, this sucker needs to get done. So I promise I'm going to stop talking soon. But so the next step, I think I said in the last video, or a couple of the last videos, was putting the angle iron around the edge of the corner edging, which that aluminum is sitting out in the driveway way out there. So to be able to put the aluminum trim on, I need to be able to rip it to a certain one of the legs to a narrower width on my table saw, which is over there. And to get that out, the trailer's got to move so that I can get the thing out, so I can get these huge long pieces of aluminum in it. To get the trailer out, I need to get part of the driveway cleaned up and back the Fairmont out of the way. And to do that, I had to fill up a tire on the Fairmont and swap one of the other tires because it was so rotten it wouldn't hold air. So I got most of that done, and then I only just have the foot style on the landing gear, and I wanted to put a wheel on it so that it was easier to roll in and out. So I went to Tractor Supply or D&B Supply, they didn't have one. I went to Tractor Supply and I picked up this nice little 6-inch urethane unit, which supposedly holds 800 pounds or something. So now I have cut part of the other foot off, and I'm using a chunk of this, and now I got to make a plate to be able to bolt the jockey wheel onto that so I can move it out. It's like this is gigantic, like, you know those slide puzzle games that you do to try and get the one piece out? That's what I've been doing today. Cleaning. I swept up and threw away a bunch of crap that was under the trailer. That's all clean now, but yeah, just shuffling stuff around. Anyway, so I'm going to build a plate and weld all this crap together to get a wheel on that thing so I can roll this sucker out into the driveway. And then I can get the table saw out and maybe cut some aluminum. We'll see. First time in the daylight. Look at that. Let's get a look at it from a ways away. I haven't got to look at it from this far away yet. Well, that's pretty satisfying to see that thing out in the sunlight. That's been a long time coming. Alright guys, it's going to be about it for this video. I know it's a little random and a little short, but that's all I got time for today. I'll show you the finished jockey wheel. That turned out pretty good. This thing actually rolls really easy with that polyurethane wheel on there, so that's good. Anyway, that's it for this time. I'm going to wait to put this back in the shop until after dusk because I want to turn the lights on the thing and kind of see it at dusk or in the dark. So I might put a shot of that at the end of this. So take a look at that if you want to. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.